Hello, everybody. Hi, my name is Robert Holmes, and basically, if you are here for the first time and don't know me, yeah, I've got a lot of information. On this channel going forward, what I'm going to do is basically be supporting, helping independent artists who want to learn how to start making money with their music, how to literally monetize it, and basically really Spotify because we know Spotify is the biggest right now. Yeah, I mean Apple Music, I do that. I know how to do all that. My music is there as well, but Spotify because of the free tier is probably where you're gonna gain most of your traction. So again, my name is Robert Holmes. Really quick. Like I said again, I want to help independent artists grow their music, grow their brand, right? Start generating royalties where they can actually live off of. And I always tell people on my podcast, if you're not earning at least $1,000 per month in royalties, I'm not talking about with selling merch or downloads, literally off of streaming because that's where the money is, guys. Okay, if you're not doing that, then guess what? I can help you, or you need my help. As you can see, really quick here, I began writing back in 2015. But guess what? I've been around music all my life. I started when I was 3 years old. I've been playing drums since I was 3 years old, literally. Played all throughout elementary, middle school, high school, university, and then again, I've been in music all my life, but just started writing for the first time back in 2015. I myself, I'm a contemporary Christian artist, but guess what? Music is music, business is business. So again, no matter what your genre is, whatever it might be, hip hop or lo-fi or whatever, I can help you. Because again, at the end of the day, it's all about generating streams and having a marketing plan that can help you. As we all know, the music business has changed so much over the last decade, right? So we have to know how to shift, guys. Okay, if you're an independent artist and you don't know how to shift, people aren't buying music anymore, unfortunately, right? And things are changing. So if you don't change with it, you can have all the talent in the world. And I tell people all the time, you need talent. Yes, I'm not saying you don't need talent, but will talent alone get you signed, to the next big deal, or will you become the next Drake just off your talent? No, because if nobody hears you, no one knows who you are. It's irrelevant, right? Only your dog, your mom, dad, your girlfriend. Those are the people who know who you are. So, right, you have to have a plan or a company or that can market you. And while I'm on this note here, I want to tell people, guys, um, everything can't be free. That's another thing, right? I'm going to be giving lots of tips, information, how to do this, on my channel. So I definitely want to encourage you to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, like the content so you get post notifications every time that I post a new video. So again, my job right now is to show other artists how to start making money. I've been blessed. When I first started writing 5 years ago, I didn't know anything about this. I didn't know about mechanical royalties. I didn't know about performance royalties. I didn't know about anything, literally. I had to teach myself, and I didn't have a person I could call to get coaching or learn anything at all. I was like literally all alone. But I figured it out. 5 years. So with that being said, again, I want to show you who I am. We'll tell you who I am. Then I'm going to show you. I know what I'm talking about. And again, if you want to get personal, well, not get personal, but if you want to get personal coaching, such as consultations, I do offer that. Okay. Again, this is a business. Okay. Again, not super hard crazy, but at the same time it's affordable. But you know what, you got to really want it, right? It takes money to make money, guys. Again, if you can learn from all the free information I give, great, right? Do that, please. But if with the free information, you probably can learn what I've learned in about 9 months to a year. You can learn it. But with my help or consultation, you can actually learn this stuff probably in 30 to 45 days. So really quick, this is my website, yeah, but let me kind of back up really quick first. So this is kind of give you an idea of who I am, my CV. This is my website right here. And if you decide that you do want the coaching, you just come here and book a call right there, okay? Just kind of want to show you something. Spotify just released all the raps, right? Literally, I just got mine a couple of days ago. So to show you, I know what I'm talking about, right? Here we go. So over 2 million streams this year, right? Kind of move this over to the side. 2 million streams again, 68,000 hours, 1 million listeners, and I'm in 90 countries. People listen to my music. Yeah, okay. Here is my personal Spotify artist page. So as you can see, right, I've got over 100,000 monthly listeners. So this means every single month, these people are listening to my music regardless, right? So I'm walking into the month with streams. We're talking about passive income, right? So yeah, I don't want to get too far into that, but it's kind of want to show you I know what I'm talking about. My number one song is called Change Me. We got over 694,000 streams on that song to date as today when I'm recording this song. And just to kind of show you guys the money is really in the streaming. I think I put it somewhere down here. Let's see something here. Let me pull up my calculator. I'd already kind of put it up. So here we go. So if you do 100,000 streams, let's just do that, 100,000 streams, and your monthly listeners listen to your song once every day, that's over 3 million streams, right, in a month. And I only have 100,000 monthly listeners. So my point is, it can be done. You just got to push it. And of course, it takes, you got to market it, invest in yourself to do that. So 100,000 monthly listeners times 30 days, right, equals 3 million streams, which you see right here, right? Times, this is what Spotify is paying. This is the lowest right now, okay? Talking about for tier 1 countries, US, by the way, 0.0030. It could actually go up to 0.0039, but as of right now, this recording, the lowest is 0.0030. That would pay you what? $9,000 in streams. So like I said, if you're not making at least $1,000 a month in streaming revenue from your distributor, whether it's TuneCore, CD Baby, or gosh, who's the other one out there? DistroKid, whoever you have, Ditto, Amuse, whoever. If you don't have to see at least $1,000 per month, guys, I can help you. Okay. So again, just want to kind of show you that I kind of know what I'm talking about on that note right there. Okay. So here we go. Here's I think I've already showed you this here. No, I didn't. Here's one of the artists that actually work, with our label or with me, right? This part's one you don't even know, right? She's an independent artist, right? Over 91,000 streams. Okay, just working with me. So what we do actually works. Okay, I encourage you to gain. This is a business, right? Our prices are very affordable. Okay, but you have to be willing to invest in yourself, guys. Okay, it takes money to make money. Drake didn't get there because he had all the talent, right? Somebody paid the price. So again, get with a team such as myself that can help you grow. All right, real quick, just give you a quick testimonial right here.
My name is Shane Hampton.
Okay, I'll give you guys one more. Here we go.
So I started working with marketing on 12 years. I'll be first project to me. Since they started, followers, almost it was wild.
Okay, so where I want to go. Let me go back to here. So here we go, guys. Again, twirlme.info. That's the website. Whatever you're looking for, if you're looking to grow your music, you want a Spotify playlist placement, we have that. Okay, example, playlist placement for 1 week. It's only $35, right? Put you on a list. You're gonna get plays, like literally, right? Playlist where people are streaming the songs. And we have multiple playlists. We also do radio campaign ads that we do. But again, you have to be willing to invest in yourself. If you're on a shoestring budget, you want to just try it out first. Okay, well, hey, pay $5. We'll promote your song through our affiliate radio stations. You're going to get at least 1,000 streams. Okay, so again, this is a business. I can help you. I have the skills. I've been doing this a while myself. Proof is in the pudding. I'm showing you guys. I hope that you guys will follow me. Again, subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking to grow your music, literally, I can help you. But again, if you want that personal coaching, right, $115 is what it costs for a consultation, and you will see results. Guys, it's been a real pleasure. Again, look out for more videos that I'm going to give you guys on tips and tricks, how to grow your music industry, your brand. And I look forward to talking to you. This is Robert Holmes. Cheers.